Okay, all right. So what did Jeff say? He had some news. Oh, okay. So what's the news? Someone's coming. Wait, there's what? What do you mean? Like a new student? A new person? What? Since when? Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. All right. So who's this new person gonna be? What if it's Mario? Apparently he's different though. Hey! Oh my God! Oh. Stay back. Stay back. What is that? Oh, hi, Patrick. Kill it! Kill him on fire! Hi, Squidward. Whoa. Hold up. Yo, mister, we didn't know you, man. Weren't you the one that tried to kill us in the daycare like a couple days ago? Yeah, we didn't forget that. Yeah, the hide and seek thing. No. Yeah, that was you. That was my bro. What? You have a brother? Huh? Yes. So why would you come here if it was your brother? I feel like that's kind of scary. Like two bros, like Stinky Bob. You're under arrest right now, sir. Skylar over here is an undercover cop. Wow! Welcome to the day of Daycare. Wait, what's that? Hello? Cyclops? Hey, what's up, Cyclops? Where'd you come from?
You're
not a train. Cyclops, stop it, buddy. Hey.
Oh, hey.
What's up, buddy? Hey, stop it. No, Cyclops, you're not a train.
Sorry, I can't help it.
Come on, man.
Dude,
where you been, bro? Where you been?
I guess just going along this rail for like 3 years. I'm finally free from the
How does that make any sense at all? What about Carly? What happened to Carly?
I don't want to talk about it.
What do you mean? Hey, come back. Hey.
I don't want to talk.
Cyclops, what happened, man? Dude, I'm your best friend. You can tell me. Come back. Okay. All right. Anyway, so welcome to the day of Daycare, and today we got my boy Cyclone. And what is Jeff up to, man? That's the question that everyone's wondering every single day. What is Jeff up to in the daycare? What are we doing today?
Like, Jeff still works here, and it's like, is his lab still that broken, bro?
Honestly, man, the CPMs are still pretty low. Let's go inside and see what's going on. Hi, Jeff. Wait,
Moose,
Jeff.
There's a red poop. Moose.
What? That's not a poop, dude. What are we talking about?
Dude, it's obviously
clearly a power source. Look at it.
Lick it. Okay.
Ow, Jeff! What happened? Oh, hi, Jeff. What's up, buddy? Hey, chill, man. Relax, dude. What's going on? Jeff, did you miss me, man? It's been a few days without me. Did you miss me? I see lick, not eat. I'm so confused right now. What? Huh? Okay, so anyways, dude, welcome back to a brand new Daycare video. If you're loving Daycare, hit that subscribe button, slap the bell, leave a like, because you guys gotta show your support, man. YouTube's still really broken, so make sure you guys come back tomorrow for a brand new Daycare video. We post every single day. All right, so what are we doing, man? What's going on here?
Dude, I don't know. I feel like Jeff is trying to kill me again.
Why is there a test tube? And why is there a power source?
I want to ask that.
We got a big day ahead of us. Oh, okay. Where's Skylar and Musina and Carly and Sly and also big boy Big
Moose.
What?
Like gone forever. I disposed of them. We are good.
I feel like they come back every single other episode. So ate them for breakfast. Yay!
Wait, you did?
And with some of breakfast. With some of this and some of that. Yeah. All right, so what are we doing?
I'm on half a heart. Whatever you do, don't punch me, please.
We got a trainer. In the arms of... So we got to train our dragons. That made 0 sense. What? I don't see no dragons or dragon eggs and stuff. Who's that? I know.
Wait, so what are we doing? I only heard dragons. I didn't... Ow.
We're not doing anything. There's a reason we got a test tube. Yeah, I fixed it.
How do I go
So what's this test tube for? I don't think you want to go inside. I feel like that's how Jeff tricks you every single time.
Wait. Yeah.
You
I
will
won't fall
see.
for it this time. I won't fall for it. Nothing can make me go in there.
Look, Cyclone, a cloud. It looks like you.
In. Dude, that's so cool. Wow.
You fell for it. You completely fell for it. Yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome! Yay! So, what are you doing, Jeff?
Hey, you lied to me. It doesn't look like me.
What are you doing? Why'd you put a dragon head down?
Why that? Hello? Moose?
I don't like the. I don't like where this is going, dude.
Moose?
What's up, buddy?
Moose? I need help.
Cyclops!
What's going on?
It is time!
What
for what? I'm so confused.
I can't read the time.
Say your last words. Oh, no. Last time we did this, I turned into a spooky ghost.
What's my last words?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey,
Before you become a big
Daycare,
lizard.
Unspeakable?
Huh?
Wait, what? Big lizard? What? Wait, no, he's a frog, not a lizard. That's different.
I feel like he's both. I don't know. Oh, okay, so he's a toad. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, cool. Gotcha. All right. And then, do I click this button over here and it just fixes all the problems?
No.
We ready.
No. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I feel like this is a really bad idea. Like, a really bad. We ready. Yay. Hey. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Cyclops. What are you?
What do you mean? Where's the mirror? What is... Oh, no.
Jeff. It worked. Jeff.
Am I a dragon?
Jeff. I'm surprised.
Dude, I've always wanted to be a dragon.
Hey, I don't know if you're a dragon. You're really flat.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
It's
I'm
not
flat?
a dragon.
What do you?
It didn't work on others. I don't think they turn into poop. Oh, so that's what the power source is. Oh, that makes sense. Cyclops.
Wait, I licked poop. Sorry.
You're really flat and messed up. That's not how dragon's supposed to look like. Hold on, I got you. All right, as soon as I click this button, this should fix all the problems, and you'll turn to a full-out dragon, including your voice and stuff too. And you'll say dragon things.
Dragon things.
Let's put a hint of moose milk in there.
No, what's this gonna do to me? No, moose milk!
Oh, you good? Yo, you good?
What is...
Cyclone? No! It's attacking me! No, back dragon! You can have my cookies, but not my moose milk! Oh. He's gone. Jeff. I took care, Jeff. There's something really annoying. You hear that? I'm not deaf, right? Why would you? It already gives me headaches. You have to have like an Advil sponsorship with him around, bro. It cures headaches with him around. Hey, buddy. Cyclone, Cyclone, hold on. Cyclone. The question is, Cyclopia, do you hear what I'm saying? Do you still understand me? Here, I got you. Eat this steak if you understand me. There you go. There you go, buddy. Just eat the steak. He's trying to eat me! No, bad dragon! Sit! Does he know commands? Is he like a full-out dragon? Or is it like... Oh, that's not sitting. That's lying down. What? Okay. Oh! Dang it! He's super thick now. Oh, come on, man. Hey. Cyclopia, come on. Cyclops, relax, buddy. What's wrong? Cyclops, what do you want? Do you want steak? Go get it. Does he make any other noises? I got you. Here, you ready? Let me click a button. Boop. Oh my God! Oh no! No, control the beast! Control it! Give him a smoke. Oh, and it's going. I control. Jeff.
Hi.
Oh no. Hey, buddy.
Dragon.
No, I'm out of here, bro. I am out of here. No. Hey, stop it! You're making this worse. Listen, you take me here. You gotta teach me how to train the dragon. Train. I don't know. I've watched the movie.
Dragon.
Can you not like? Stop it! Oh my. She needs to be trained. I think that's a he, but I guess you can say what you want.
I am a dragon.
Oh, I got you. I got a better one. I handle this the Ruski way, my friend. Where'd he go? Where's he? Bah, back in. Oh, that's What is wrong with you? I don't think that worked. I thought that was gonna like get him back into his senses. Maybe like his brain will come back alive. It's kind of like Lucy when you pick her up, like she loses her brain, but like when you put her down, she's like regular again. So I feel like that would work on him, but it didn't work at all. Oh, and he got worse. Hey, buddy.
Hi. I'm a dragon.
Is that Lucy in disguise? I don't think that's Lucy. Lucy's a little bit crazier than that. Hey, buddy, if I give you moose milk, would that like make you better? Hello? You okay? How do we train the dragon? We must watch more TV shows. How to Train a Dragon TV shows. There we go. What's going on? What's this for? Jeff, what do you want to do with this? Here, Jeff, what do you want me to do? It's spitting out moose milk. What do I do with the saddle?
Help me.
Figure it out. Hey, buddy, stand still. Hey, let's go, buddy. Come here. That's it. You're going to become my... He was going to become my personal dragon, and now he's not. I wonder if I can fly with him. It'd be pretty cool. I feel like that's not going to work, is it now? Yeah, it's probably not going to work. Okay, where'd he go? Hey, buddy. How did you shrink? Here, put this on. It's a saddle. It's, it gives you powers. David, you fellow beast! David, come on! Hey! Oh, it's not working. I feel like it's not one of those flying dragons. Oh, we made it worse. Oh, God.
Hi.
Why are you so short now? Hold on, I got an idea.
What do you mean?
Out. Oh, he talks. Hey, Cyclone, can you hear me?
Dragon. Hi.
Cyclone, you're Cyclone. You're a robot. You can't be a dragon.
Wait, I'm a rat.
What just happened? Is he doing dubstep?
Hi.
Come on! We're making this worse!
Sequence.
Oh no, not this again! I scare it!
Windows
Jeff,
10 update.
That's not scaring it. Robots don't get scared,
Are
Cyclops.
you sure you want to update Windows?
What is he talking about? Hashtag robot lives matter! Oh, and he's gone. RP. Jeff, we've gone too far with this. She don't listen! It's a robot! And it sounded like it was programming things. And Cyclone is not the biggest brain.
Updating Windows.
You made this so much worse. I feel like this went 0 to 100 real quick. What if we put him back into the chamber thing over there, the tube, and then we throw more moose milk and stuff, and we throw like other things inside of it, like toys, and hopefully it makes it better. Sure. Awesome. Hey, buddy, come here. Follow me. There you go. Okay. All right. Just follow the steak. Steak equals protein. There we go, buddy. Right over here. Pretty simple. And get under. Just add in some moose milk. Perfect. Now, that is not a trap at all. It's just a tube. And it worked again. That is flawless. Awesome. So let's take a bunch of random things like dolls. Oh, yo, bookshelves. Knowledge. He needs knowledge. He needs more knowledge. Here we go. Ready? How do you get out? How do you get out? What? Hey, in! Okay, we need a chicken. Perfecto. We'll add in some Rubik's Cubes and some bookshelves and a doll for some knowledge. All right. Oh, yes, time traveling things. Perfect. There we go. Oh, and a pig, too. Awesome. There we go. Now you can have all the characteristics of all these animals, too, combined. Yay! You know what? For the heck of it, let's throw in a slide in there. I mean, a swing. There we go. Perfect. Hey! Oh, my God. Get here. Get him in here. Come on. Get him in here. Set it up. We gotta get this guy transformed. He's got to become a better version. Hey! Hop in there, Cyclops. There's free food. Go get it. There you go. He's so complicated. You're making this worse, Chef. And you destroy the redstone. And you destroy the button. Put iron bars. Use iron bars. That probably works better. Try it. Use iron bars. Come on. Oh, he's in. Hey, stay. Hey, Mr. Dragon, stay.
I'm a dinosaur.
And he thinks he's a dinosaur. All right, ready? Just throw this in here real quick. There we go. Oh, that's not working. Yay! Boom. Let's do one of these.
You're really bad.
Oh my God! Why is it so complicated? Perfecto, perfecto. There we go. Awesome, and some knowledge. Close it up. Look. We must improvise. This is more complicated than I thought. Hey! Stay still! Stay! Stay! Don't touch it! Alright, now as soon as we click this button, and the button's gone, and the redstone's gone. Oh my God! This is an abomination! And he's out of the cage. Hey, no! Redstone is bad for you. It's like avocados for dogs. Don't give dogs avocados, they will die. Come on, get back in there. Get back in. There you go, good boy. Alright. Let's put this right over here. Perfecto. And the button. 3, 2, 1, let go. Yeah! Cyclops, you're good.
Whoa, hi. That was pain.
What's up, buddy? How's it going? So, do you have any recollection of what just happened?
Why is it different now? What just happened? Huh?
You don't want to know. It's a long story. It's a long story. But you turned into a dragon.
Hey, why do I have moose milk?
Why? It's the good stuff, dude.
That's hard. No. Oh, that's hard.
Hey.
Hey, books. Dude, I've read all of these.
What do you mean you read all the books? Tuck-ups, you never read them in your life.
What do you mean?
Oh, yeah? Then what's E equals MC squared?
12.
Oh, my God, he's a genius. He can't read. Oh, yeah, he can't read. He's just tricking me.
I can read now.
All right, then what's 2 plus 2?
4.
Fish. You're wrong.
8.
Disqualified. Get out. Get out. Bad. Bad. Get out.
Oh.
And he's gone. Oh, well,
See,
I kind of fixed it.
I can read. I can read fine. I studied at Harvard,
This is
and
what we talked about, the Advil sponsorship. Please sponsor us so we can cure headaches from Cyclone. I'll see you all tomorrow with a brand new video. Subscribe and tap the bell. Leave a like. Bye.
subscribe!
Yeah, he's got problems. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow at 5 p.m. EST every day.